Welcome to our 4 Pillars of Learning video series. Children are naturally curious. They are like little scientists who ask questions, explore, and experiment to discover how the world works. In this video, we're highlighting our second pillar of learning, STEAM. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Through hands-on exploration and experiences designed around children's emerging schemas, children are encouraged to build, investigate, and discover the world around them. Science is everywhere in our classrooms. Children make observations, test ideas, and explore concepts through experiments and real-world experiences. Whether they are investigating how things move, mixing materials, or exploring nature, children are developing critical thinking skills through play. Educators use technology thoughtfully as a tool for research, exploration, and discovery, helping children make connections to their interests and inquiries. Engineering experiences encourage children to design, build, problem solve, and think creatively. Using blocks, loose parts, recycled materials, and construction tools, children develop perseverance and confidence as they bring their ideas to life. Art is woven throughout our program as a way for children to express themselves and communicate their ideas. We focus on open-ended, process-based experiences that encourage imagination and innovation. Math learning happens naturally throughout the day. Through sorting, matching, counting, measuring, and spatial exploration, children develop foundational math skills in a meaningful and engaging way. At Alpha's Discovery Kids, STEAM is more than just a list of subjects. It's a way of thinking that encourages curiosity, creativity, and a lifelong love of learning. We invite you to visit one of our beautiful locations in Mississauga or Oakville and see our 4 pillars of learning in action.